नमस्ते। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम ISS 2019 पेपर 1। इस क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है we need to find the probability that the sample median based on a random sample of size 3 drawn from a distribution which is fx equals to 2x where x is 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise is exceeds half। तो हमें एक प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है कि हमारे पास एक रैंडम सैंपल है ऑफ साइज 3, तो जो सैंपल मीडियन है वो हाफ से एक्सीड करेगा। तो पहले हम लिख लेते हैं कि जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है उसमें से जो रैंडम सैंपल हमने कलेक्ट किया है दे आर डिनोटेड बाय x1, x2 एंड x3। अगर हम इन रैंडम सैंपल्स को ऑर्डर स्टैटिस्टिक्स के तरह लिखेंगे तो हम कह सकते हैं कि x order 2 be the median of the random sample। Now we have to find the probability x order 2 is greater than half। Okay, तो अब हमें जो प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए वो है प्रोबेबिलिटी x order 2 is greater than half। अब इस इवेंट को दैट इज x order 2 greater than half, इस इवेंट को हम दो पॉसिबिलिटीज में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। तो पहला जो पॉसिबिलिटी है वो है कि सैंपल में से कोई भी दो ऐसा सैंपल है जो कि ग्रेटर देन हाफ है, सॉरी, कोई भी दो ऐसा सैंपल है जो कि ग्रेटर देन हाफ है। सपोज दिस इज हाफ, therefore the samples x1 and x2 they are greater than half and x3 is less than half। तो ये जैसे कि एक पर्टिकुलर चॉइस है तो हमें ऑल पॉसिबल चॉइस के लिए 3c2 मल्टीप्लाई करना है इस इवेंट के साथ। एंड जो दूसरा पॉसिबिलिटी है वो है अगर ये हाफ है तो तीनों ही सैंपल ग्रेटर देन हाफ है, क्योंकि मीडियन जो है वो हाफ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो अब हम इस इवेंट को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि 3c2 प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x1 greater than half, x2 greater than half and x3 less than half plus 3c3 probability of x order 1, x order 2, x order 3 they all are greater than half। ठीक है, अब the PDF of the distribution fx is denoted by 2x whenever x is 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise। ठीक है, therefore the probability x is greater than half is integration half to 1 2x dx, which results in 2x squared divided by 2 half to 1, which is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4, and probability x is less than half is nothing but 1 minus probability x is greater than half, which results in 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 4। Now from this expression we can say that probability of x order 2 is greater than half is nothing but 3c2 probability of xi greater than half whole square multiplied by probability of xi is less than half plus 3c3 probability of xi is greater than half whole cube। Okay, now 3c2 is 3 and probability xi greater than half results in 3 by 4, therefore 3 by 4 whole square, and then multiplied by probability xi is less than half, which is nothing but 1 by 4, plus 3c3 is 1 and probability xi is greater than half is 3 by 4, therefore we get 3 by 4 whole cube। Okay, therefore this results in 3 cube divided by 4 cube, and here we also have 3 cube divided by 4 cube. Therefore we can write 27 divided by 64 multiplied by 2, which results in 27 divided by 32. So the correct answer will be the option C. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं कि C is the correct answer. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.